Have a special offer that you want to send hundreds or even thousands of customers on WhatsApp? You don't need to send that message one by one. With one broadcast campaign, you can reach your selected contacts at scale. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. For testing, I have created this holiday travel offer as you can already see on your screen. This message is not a generic. Every customer is greeted with their own name. I have sent the message as a test example. That's why it includes my name as a test user. But by using this broadcast campaign, every customer will greeted with their own name, followed by the travel offers, package pricing, and even a booking link where they can directly check and book the package. So Arav receives as Hi Arav, Priya receives as Hi Priya, and the details automatically change according to the customer. This means you are not just sending one generic promotion to a large contact list, you are creating a personalized WhatsApp campaign at scale. And you can use the same method for festive offers, travel packages, product promotions, or any other campaign you want to send to your customers. And all of this is possible using the broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow. In this tutorial, I'm going to create a campaign from scratch, personalize the message, select the audience, send it live, and finally show you how the offer looks when the customer receives on WhatsApp. But before we create our campaign, let me quickly tell you about the tool that makes all of this possible, which is Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation platform where you can create broadcast campaigns, automated chatbots, AI-powered assistants, and many other WhatsApp automation without writing a single line of code. So you are not purchasing the tool only for sending this one holiday offer. You can use the same platform to automate different parts of your WhatsApp communication according to your business. And the best part is, along with me, first you can try this amazing broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow, and after trying it, if you found the tool useful and creates a mind to purchase its subscription plan, then don't pay the regular price. Simply use my coupon code MEHYT during checkout and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. So without wasting any more time, let's go inside Pabbly Chatflow and create our holiday package offer broadcast campaign. Alright, so this is the broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and create a free account. Once you create it, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Chatflow, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Once you reach there, on the left hand side, you will see multiple powerful features of Pabbly Chatflow where you have to come in this broadcast feature, and this page is going to be appear in front of you. Now the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add your WhatsApp business account number inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. So comes to our broadcast feature. Now before creating our campaign, let me quickly explain what this broadcast feature actually does. See, in simple words, broadcast allows you to send one campaign to multiple selected contact list on WhatsApp at once. So instead of opening every contact and sending the same offer separately, you can create and manage the complete campaign from here. And for today's tutorial, we are going to use it to send our personalized holiday travel offer. Now simply click on plus add broadcast button. And here at first you need to select the broadcast type that I am selecting as broadcast campaign. Give your broadcaster name. I'll enter as holiday offer. Moving forward, here you need to select the contact list to which you want to send the broadcast message that I am selecting as leads list. I have already created this contact list before inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. So now I think you might be wondering how you can add your own contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. So for that, you need to go in this contacts feature and click on this plus add contacts button. You can also add contacts one by one manually as well as add in bulk. I recommend you to add contacts in bulk because it is the fastest and the smartest way. Moving forward, here you need to upload the CSV file. Now what is CSV file? So CSV file is the simplest format of file that contains the data in the simplest format. I'll show you how it will look like. See, this is the file where I added my customer's first name, last name and phone number. As it is visible enable that, it is in the simplest format. You can create a CSV file by using Excel or Google Sheets. I have added all of my contacts inside Google Sheets. After successfully adding the contacts, you need to download the file in a CSV format. Because only CSV files are allowed with 50 MB size limit and maximum of 2 lakhs contacts, means you can add up to 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. So this is how interesting this single tool is. For uploading a bulk contacts, click on this option, click on this add new file and upload the file from your gallery. I have already uploaded the contacts file before, so I'm selecting this one from here and clicking on this insert button. Next, you need to click on this plus add contacts, and this is how easily you can add bulk contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. For creating a contact list, you need to click on this plus option. I have already created some list before, and this is the leads list that I have used here. After selecting the contacts, next one is refine audience. See, if you want to exclude the contact list, you don't want to receive the broadcast message, then you can select that list from here. And if you want to exclude the specific contact that you don't want to send the broadcast message, then you can select that contact from this drop down. After that, with the help of this toggle, you can skip those contacts who messaged you within the last 24 hours, so they don't receive the broadcast message again. Now comes to the most important part, that is message type. It will provide you two options, name is pre-approved template message and regular message. You can also send a regular message by selecting the message type from here. See, a regular message is used when the customer has already started the conversation with your business on WhatsApp and the 24-hour conversation window is still active. During this active window, you can send messages to the customer without using pre-approved template message. But once this 24-hour window is over, you cannot use a regular message to restart the conversation. For that, you need to use a pre-approved template message. So it is very simple. If the 24-hour conversation window is active, you can use regular message. If it is not active, use template message. Now for our holiday offer campaign, I am going to use the message type as pre-approved template message. Now from here, I am selecting the holiday offer template. I have already created this holiday package offer template before, and see, this is the same promotional message that our customers are going to receive. It includes the holiday package, pricing, booking link, and most importantly the dynamic field for the customers. For making the name dynamic, I am going to enter the dollar symbol name in this body field. With the help of this dollar symbol name, automatically each of my customers based on this list will come in this place. Moving forward, I'll click on this done button. Now for creating this type of attractive templates, you need to go in this templates feature. See, this is the templates feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can create and manage different types of WhatsApp message templates according to your different businesses use case. In simple words, templates are predefined WhatsApp messages that you can create once and can use again whenever you want to communicate with your customers at scale. You can create templates for promotional offers, reminders, order updates, appointment confirmations, and many other use cases. See, the templates are approved by Meta and they followed all the WhatsApp guidelines. I have already created some templates before. For getting a new template, you have to click on this plus add template button. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create templates inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. In this tutorial, we are going to use this holiday package offer template. See, inside this template, I have used one variable by the name of name and added two curly brackets at the beginning and the ending of it. With the help of this, automatically the customer's name will come based on the contact list that I have uploaded and selected here. Moving forward, now I am going to test this broadcast. So for that, I'll enter the contact name as test user. Next, I'll enter my number in this field just only for the testing purpose that this message is delivering to the customers or not. After entering my number, I'll click on the send test message button and see it says that test broadcast sent. Now let's check WhatsApp and see how the actual message looks. And look at this. I received the holiday offer directly on WhatsApp. And notice the most important part. The message is personalized with the customer name along with the holiday package, as it includes my name as a test user that I have entered here. So the customer does not just receive the information about the offer, they can also use the provided link to take the next step and check the package. And that's how to you can create one personalized WhatsApp offer campaign and send it to your selected contacts using Pabbly Chatflow broadcast. Next, here you need to schedule the broadcast. See, if you want to send this template to all of your contacts right now, then you will select this option and click on this plus add broadcast button. Here I am going to schedule this broadcast message for later, so I am selecting this option. Let's say I want to schedule this broadcast on 28th of July at 6:50 p.m. See, on 28/7/2026 at 6:50 p.m. this template is going to be sent to all of my contacts that are present inside this list. So this is how it works. Next, if you want Pabbly Chatflow to automatically retry sending the message to the contacts where the delivery has failed, you can enable this toggle. Once you enable it, you can select the number of retries from here and also specify the waiting time between each retry. Here the waiting time needs to be between 12 hours and 72 hours. For this campaign, I am setting it to one retry after 12 hours. So if the initial attempt fails, the system will make another attempt after the selected waiting period. Once everything is configured, simply click on the plus add broadcast button. See, it says that error, broadcast name is already in use. Don't worry, I will change the name of the broadcast from here, as I already created one broadcast before by the name of holiday offer. That's why I'll replace the name with new holiday offer. Now I'll click on this plus add broadcast button. And that's it, our broadcast campaign has been successfully scheduled. Now, according to our campaign setup, the holiday offer will be sent to the selected contacts and each message will be personalized using the customer information. You can also view the stats of your broadcast by clicking on this option and export the report from here. And this is just an example. By using the same process, you can create multiple broadcast campaign for your different type of use cases. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offer. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.